Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on parallel lines rules. The following diagram represents two parallel lines that are intersected by a line called a transversal. So that line there and that one, they are the two parallel lines, and these arrows give us the clue that they are parallel. This is the transversal. There it is there. Now, transversal is like a line that cuts across those two lines there. So that's why it's called a transversal. When this situation occurs, there are three important rules regarding the types of angles that are formed. This is rule 1. Corresponding angles are equal. What that means is this: that angle D equals angle F. So that angle equals that one. Angle C equals angle H. That angle equals that one. Angle A equals angle E. That angle equals that one. And angle B equals angle G. That angle equals that one. So each of those pairs of angles are called corresponding angles. Now, rule number 2 tells us that alternate angles are equal. What this means is the following. Angle B equals angle F. That one equals that one. And angle C equals angle E. This one equals that one. So those pairs of angles are called alternate angles. And rule number 3, co-interior angles are supplementary. Now, a previous video talked about the word supplementary, and we saw that if two angles are supplementary, they add up to 180 degrees. So what this rule is telling us is that angle B plus angle E equals 180. So that angle plus that angle is 180. Angle C plus angle F equals 180 degrees. So that angle plus that angle equals 180 degrees. So this video has given us an introduction into parallel lines and what happens when these lines are cut by a transversal. And we've seen three important rules that relate to this particular diagram. And the angles that we've talked about are corresponding angles, alternate angles, and co-interior angles.